AccuLynx is a roofing software platform built to help roofing companies manage leads, sales, production, and customer communication in one place. By the end, you'll know what AccuLynx does, which roofing businesses it is designed for, and what to consider before paying for it. AccuLynx focuses on organizing the full roofing workflow from the first customer inquiry through project completion. Instead of tracking information across separate spreadsheets, emails, and messaging apps, roofing companies can use one system to manage different parts of their operation. For a small roofing company, the biggest question is whether the software saves enough time and reduces enough confusion to justify adding another monthly expense. One area AccuLynx helps with is lead management. Roofing businesses can track potential customers, follow up on opportunities, and keep sales information organized instead of relying on manual tracking. The platform also supports project management. Roofers can keep job details, customer information, documents, and team communication connected to specific projects. This matters because roofing jobs often involve multiple steps, from estimates and approvals to scheduling and final completion. A centralized system can make it easier to see what needs attention. Before choosing AccuLynx, small roofers should look at their current workflow. If your company already manages every job efficiently with existing tools, the added cost may not provide enough value. If your team is losing track of leads, missing follow-ups, or spending too much time searching for job information, a roofing-specific platform may solve those problems. The best way to evaluate AccuLynx is to compare the features you actually need with your current process. Check how your team handles leads, estimates, scheduling, production updates, and customer communication today. Also consider how many people will use the software. A tool becomes more valuable when multiple team members need access to the same project information. AccuLynx is not a replacement for good business processes. It works best when a roofing company already has a clear workflow and wants better organization. The main points are simple. AccuLynx is designed specifically for roofing businesses. It combines sales and project management tools in one platform, and its value depends on whether it solves problems your company currently has. Your next step is to list the biggest workflow problems in your roofing business and compare them against what AccuLynx offers. If this helped you understand whether AccuLynx is worth it for small roofers, like the video and subscribe for more practical software reviews.